Alright guys, we got a massive 2020 F-350 with 37s. Look at this thing. All he had to do was put a 1-inch lift in the front and it cleared the back too, like nothing. As you guys can see, it's a huge truck. I love this truck. I wanted one of these, but kind of a little bit out of my budget, but it's okay. Anyways, what we got done on it, factory converters there and there. Then we took the massive muffler off, put a massive 3-inch in, 3-inch out Y pipe. Then he brought his own BORLA muffler, part number 40086, be a link in the description. It's the XR1 Sportman Road Edition, right there. Then we put a 3-inch pipe in the middle, took the other resonator, a baby resonator, that I'll show you guys over there. That was in the middle. We took it out, put a 3-inch pipe there. Then we put another BORLA right there. Part number 40004S. Another XR1 Sportsman Shorty, 3.5 inch. Right there. As you guys can see, there it is, 3-inch. There's the first one. There's the second one. And then it comes with a factory resonator right there. This thing loves resonators and mufflers. So it comes with a third resonator right there, a little bottle one. So he wanted to keep that on. He didn't want too much. He didn't want everything taken off. And then we put him a massive 6-inch black tip to just complete the look, because it's a massive truck, so it needs a massive tip. Not overdone, nothing. So there's the first muffler we showed you. There's the second muffler we showed you that we cut off. So they're in line. That's the pipe between the two right there with a baby resonator. He's gonna keep that just in case. He might put it back on if it's too loud. But that's what it looks like, guys. So like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and let us know what you guys think of the sound. Ford F-350 Super Duty. Here we go with a BORLA XR system, custom built by us. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Oh yeah, that sounds beautiful. Your sound decibels? 108. Give it gas again. Man, that sounds beautiful. That's nice. This is everything we cut off again. That's how it usually comes in line with each other. You can see it's a dual in, single out, and then resonator and massive muffler. Again. Oh man, and the more it warms up, the deeper it gets. Go ahead and back it up. It is the 7.3, guys. Like I said, those 37s look so good on it. It's a massive beast. Wow, that sounds so good. Tremor edition. Ooh. Sounds like it's like a vicious dog. Yeah. Wow. I like it. Yeah, baby. Let you guys hear on the inside. There she is, guys. Massive.